Want to create a Gmail account without using a phone number? Google usually asks for phone verification, but there are ways to bypass it. Let me show you the official method step by step. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech guides. Step 1. Open your browser and go Gmail.com. Click on Create Account and select for myself or for work or business, depending on your preference. Step 2. Enter your first name, last name, then click Next. Step 3. Enter your date of birth and select your gender and click Next. Step 4. Select your desired email address and click Next. Step 5. Create a strong password for your Gmail and click Next. Step 6. Enter your recovery email or skip it. Step 7. Review Google's terms and privacy policy, then click I agree. Your Gmail account will be created without needing a phone number. Tips. If Google still asks for a phone number, try using Incognito mode or a different device. Creating an account from a mobile browser may also allow you to skip phone verification. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech guides. See you in the next one.